Hi everybody, Hunter with SW Marine here in Palo, Iowa. Today we're going to talk about the Lund pontoon line. We're really excited to be stocking the pontoons here for 2019 at SW Marine. We're going to have several videos here on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe to our page. Today I want to highlight the LX240 walkthrough. The first thing that's going to jump out at you guys is that it's got the bronze sand metallic main fence color with the black metallic accents. And you can also see that we have the optional black powder coated frame on this boat as well. Coming back to the back here, the LX pontoons are going to come standard with a 10-foot bimini. We do upgrade ours to have a 12-foot bimini top on it as well. And if you notice, it's got an integrated anchor light on there, so that way you're not having to mess with that when you're out on the water. Underneath this pontoon, we have it on a Yacht Club trailer, tandem axle with brakes on one axle. This is an optional feature, guys. You don't have to have the trailer if you don't need it. But for those of you that do, we do keep them in stock here and have them equipped, ready to go for you. So now that we're on board here, guys, I want to point out some of the key features to the interior of this boat. And as I'm talking about them, Emily's kind of going to pan around the boat. But we've got the walkthrough seating plan here, which gives you the most space for seating in this boat. It's also got the Tantique floor upgrade. This Tantique floor is really nice. Not only does it add visual appeal, but it's really easy to clean. It's not slippery when wet, and you can walk around on it barefoot in the summertime and not burn the bottom of your feet. Standard on these boats, on these pontoons, are pillow top furniture, which is really super comfortable. I'd encourage you to come in and take a look, have a seat for yourself, because words just don't do this justice. Underneath all these seats in this pontoon, you've got storage as well. And this boat is equipped with a convenience package. So it's got a portable cup holder, which is really nice. You can move that anywhere throughout the boat. It's also got the quick release fender system in it as well. The other two portions of the convenience package are the steering wheel upgrade and then the fold down cleats on the deck. Well, what that does is that fender just clips right into place there. It's perfect height to be able to take that down for docking. It's really easy, really nice, really convenient. So we'll kind of move up here through the boat. And right here you've got a fold out changing room, which is an option that we've added to this boat as well. Coming over here, we'll sit down at the helm. So this has got a tilt steering wheel as well as a seat slider at the mainstay here. You do have digital shift and throttle controls on this for the 200 DTS engine. This boat is equipped with the luxury package, which is going to be the captain's chair, stainless steel cup holders throughout the boat. It's also got rope lighting in the boat, which is a really nice, cool feature to have. And then stainless steel flip down cleats that are on the back of the boat as well. So this does have a kicker stereo with 4 speakers in it, and then a nice cell phone cubby hole holder here. So we actually have the cell phone queued up here. Before we get away from the helm, I do want to point out this cubby hole feature here to keep all of your belongings safe while you're out on the water, and then a GPS speedometer and an in-dash depth gauge as well. So as we move up to the front of the boat here, guys, take one more opportunity to talk about the pillow top furniture and the massive amount of seating in this boat. It's really nice and it's second to none here. This is the added jump seat that we put in here to give you even more seating as well, and then also storage underneath it as well, just like all the other seats. As you come down here into the floor, the ski locker is part of the Performance Plus package. It's got a gas assist shock on there so you can get your skis and tubes and anything that you want to store in the floor here and have the door stay open for you. That's a really nice feature. In the bottom here, you can see it's got the mooring cover. That mooring cover is really easy to use. It just snaps right into the rail on the outside of the boat and is really handy. This pontoon comes standard with a table. We do not have it installed. What we do is we wait to install that here at the dealership in the location that the customer requests. So at the back of this boat, guys, I really want to highlight some nice features. First of all, the stainless steel ladder on the back here for pulling tubers and skiers. And then an oversized heavy-duty stainless steel ladder as well for getting in and out of the water with ease. But as we go underneath the boat and talk about how this boat's powered and how it's built from the deck down is what's most important with these pontoons. First of all, you've got 25-inch pontoons. You've got a really heavy-duty transom that's built to withstand even these big horsepower engines from Lund. And then this boat is equipped with the Performance Plus package. What that means is you get the full center pontoon, the tri-tune model, an underskin liner that runs all the way to the front of the boat, and then these oversized lifting strakes. These oversized lifting strakes are going to be on all 3 pontoons, and what that's going to do is get you up out of the water so that way you can have maximum performance while you're out having some fun doing your recreation. At the heart of the boat, it's powered with a 200 DTS V6 3.4 liter engine from Mercury. This engine does have power steering on it, the Mercury power steering. So when you're out on the water, you're going to be able to handle this boat with ease, even when you're pulling the skiers and tubers. It does have the stainless steel prop. And like I said, by the time you put all of this together, the stainless prop, the 200 horsepower engine, and the Performance Plus package, this boat is just going to be an awesome performing boat out in the water. So that's it for us today, guys. If you have any questions, give us a call out here at the shop, 319-851-3825. I'm Hunter with SW Marine, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch our videos.